This is called Wooden Secret Treasure Box by Escape World from Germany, and everything is made of wood. This is a DIY kit, meaning ganito siya pag kumuha ka. So, i-assemble mo siya, but it takes about 10 to 15 minutes only. So, the objective of this puzzle box is to open it like any other treasure box, no? Upon closer look dun sa box, marami siyang intricacies or designs na makikita nyo all sides yan. From the top, to the front, to the bottom, which has may Escape World pa nga na logo. To open the box, you have to focus on the center panel kasi nandito yung pinaka-lock eh. So, yung pinaka-clue mo dyan is this dun sa mga drawings, no? For this one, kailangan pareho siya. So, look for the same symbol as that one. At ito siya. Yan. Next one is this one. So, hanapin mo yung kapareho niya, which is yung pointed rin. Yan, pareho sila. And for the third one, ito siya. So, look for it sa knob, which is ito. Yan, pareho na sila. And finally, for the fourth one, ito yung hinahanap natin, which is, ayun na, nakatapat na siya. So, pag nagawa mo na yung apat na yun ng tama, ma-unlock mo na yung box, and you will be able to reveal the secret compartment. Yun lang.